Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then scroll down. Right here we have voice prompt settings, and you need to click at this line. And right here we have languages, so there's only three: English, Japanese and Chinese. Tap at the best one for you. Let's say I want to change it to Japanese. Click continue. Now this earbud should reconnect with your phone. Here we go, and it changed the language. We can also return to the voice prompt settings and check, yes, now we have Japanese. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.